Okay, start with that first one, Callie. Callie, go ahead and read it out to me. Nice and loud. Guys, what number is this?
Which one?
Whichever one you want to start with.
12.
This is number 12 on the homework. On lesson 1.1 homework that is due tomorrow. So, number 12, go ahead and read it out to me. Again, this is not exactly your question, but it's just like it. So if you know how to do this, you'll know how to do yours. Go ahead, Callie.
17 plus 7 equals negative 3 parentheses 7x subtract 8 parentheses.
Perfect reading. Okay. We've got a lot of things to just kind of clean up here. It's just a tiny bit messy. Do you notice something about this equation that can kind of be cleaned up immediately?
You add the 17 and the 7.
Yes, because they are like terms. So we can just add them together. What's 17 plus 7?
Actually, the 17 plus 7.
24. Okay. 17 plus 7 is 24. Okay, so we have 24 equals negative 3 times 7x minus 8.
Somebody's at
Oh.
your door.
I didn't know if you needed anything.
Oh, no, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, but I will tell you this real quick. The adaptive homework is not going to work
No, why not?
because they're not able to skip questions, and you know it's like a 2-day lesson.
Yeah.
They can't skip questions. So I reassigned mine, and I made a customized version of the first option for homework, the mixed.
The mixed review, the
Not the
math
mixed
itself.
review. Yeah, the first option. The mixed review is only 10 questions, and it's like really easy.
Okay.
Too easy. Sorry, Zach. But yeah. Yeah, the first option of step 3 on the homeworks. I customized it. I made it about 17 questions because they're lengthy.
Okay.
So, and then I have to email my class too.
Can you took questions at all?
I did.
Do you know like which questions?
Maybe I can possibly try to figure out how to share a customized version.
The whole world
You
can see
have the, what's it called? The Epcot wall template. Tree.
Okay, yeah.
Blueprint.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can put it in there and then I can copy it for you.
Oh, I can put it in yours.
And yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Let me know if you don't get it in the next hour or so.
It'll be after I come back from lunch. So
Oh, okay.
just-
I just want to remember what I'm on. Okay, back to this, guys. We have 24 equals, oh no, negative 3 times 7x minus 8. What property is screaming out to you right now? Distributive is saying, hey, look at me, I'm a negative 3 and I'm being multiplied by everything in here. So distribute me. And I always show my arrows, no matter how many times I do these problems, I show my arrows, so you should too. So we're going to distribute. I'm even going to circle my terms with their signs so that I don't forget that this 3 is a negative, and I don't forget that this negative 8 is a negative. It's very important. And I'll go ahead and circle my positive 7x, and I can even put a positive there if I'd like to. So now we have negative 3 times positive 7x is what? Negative 21. X. Don't forget about that x. Negative 21x. And then I'm going to cross those out because, oh no, I'm just going to cross out this one because I still need to distribute my negative 3 to my negative 8, and that would be what?
24.
Good. What, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
A negative, yeah, I just want you to say positive 24, just so I can make sure I write positive 24. Because that positive is going to serve as our addition sign. So we set that equal to 24. We're just continuing down. Now we're solving it just like the other problem. I'll give you a second to take notes and catch up. All right, what do we do next? Did you get it already? You got it?
The answer's 0.
Oh, it's an easy one. minus 24 on both sides, and you get, they cancel out, so you get 0 equals negative 21 times x. And then if negative 21 is multiplied times a number that's going to be 0, then your answer is 0. Technically, it's divided by 21 on both sides. 0 divided by negative 21 is 0. Another one?
Another one.
You wanted to read it out to me? Okay. It's okay. You just say it out to me. Tell me what number this is on the homework. 13 on lesson 1.1. And what is it?
5/8y.
5/8y?
5/8. It's fraction.
Oh, 5/8. Okay, 5/8 times y
Subtract 12
minus 12
equals -7.
equals -7. Oh, we've got some ugly things in here. We've got fractions, we've got negative numbers, we got a subtraction sign. It's super ugly. Let's not freak out. Let's just solve the way we would solve any two-step equation like this. We're solving for y. What operations do we need to take care of, and which one comes first?
Add 12.
Good, we're taking care of the subtraction. We're going to add 12 to both sides. Cancel. Now this is nice and simple, and that's going to be set equal to -7 plus 12. So 5/8 times y equals what's -7 plus 12. Give me the sign also. 5. It's positive 5, right? Positive 5. You're doing great. Now, we talked about this before. Yeah, it's okay. So technically, y is being multiplied by 5/8. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we could divide by 5/8. But the little secret trick to dividing by itself, there's a trick. Instead of doing this, which yeah, would cancel out easy, but then if you try to divide 5 by 5/8, you're gonna have to flip and multiply. So this is really simple. Instead of dividing by itself, you multiply times the reciprocal. Because when you multiply a fraction times its reciprocal, it cancels out. Look, the 5's cancel out, the 8's cancel out, and then you just get 1 times 1 is 1. 1y is just, right, just like 1 zap is just zap. So 1y is just y. And we do the same thing, don't pack up yet, the same thing on the other side. We multiply times 8/5, multiply times 8/5. What do we want to turn this into?
5
Over,
8.
no. We turn a whole number,
5/1.
yeah, 5/1. And now look, we can cancel. The 5 and the 5 numerator denominator with the multiplication problem, that's gone. What does y equal? 8. Y equals 8. Very, very good. We are done. You guys can pack up and go.
I got like 4 questions.
Enjoy your lunch.